Chevrolet Camaro SS-X ZL1 2025, the ultimate supercharged track car. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro SS-X ZL1 is the next level of track-ready performance. Designed for serious racers and speed enthusiasts, this supercharged V8 muscle car brings a whole new dimension to the Camaro's legacy. With cutting-edge aero body kits, active aero systems, and adjustable suspension, the SS-X ZL1 is engineered to deliver maximum performance and precision on the track. Supercharged V8 power and performance. At the heart of the Camaro SS-X ZL1 lies a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that churns out an impressive 750 horsepower. The powertrain provides instant acceleration and delivers exceptional speed, making it one of the most thrilling track cars on the market. The addition of torque vectoring technology ensures that the Camaro remains stable and responsive under extreme conditions, enhancing its handling at high speeds. Active aero systems for stability. One of the standout features of the SS-X ZL1 is its active aero system. This adjustable feature allows the car to dynamically change the angle of its front and rear spoilers to optimize downforce and aerodynamic efficiency at various speeds. Whether you're on the straights or tackling sharp corners, the active aero system ensures the Camaro stays planted to the track, providing superb stability and precision at high speeds. Precision handling and track mode. To take its performance even further, the Camaro SS-X ZL1 comes with adjustable suspension that allows drivers to fine-tune their ride for the perfect balance between comfort and performance. With the track mode activated, the transmission, suspension, and braking systems are all adjusted to provide the optimal settings for racing conditions. This gives the driver complete control over the car's dynamics, ensuring a flawless experience on the track. Track-focused design. In addition to its powerful performance features, the SS-X ZL1 has a design built specifically for the track. The aero body kit reduces drag while increasing stability at high speeds. The carbon fiber accents not only enhance the car's visual appeal, but also help in weight reduction, further improving handling and speed. The aggressive stance and race-inspired details give the Camaro a bold and dynamic look, making it as eye-catching as it is fast. Conclusion. The Chevrolet Camaro SS-X ZL1 2025 is a true track machine, offering unmatched power, superior aerodynamics, and precise handling. With advanced technology, supercharged V8 power, and adjustable systems, it's a car designed for those who want a real racing experience. Whether you're looking to dominate the track or enjoy a thrilling drive, the SS-X ZL1 brings the ultimate performance to your fingertips.